Good day, sir, madam. My name is Sarjani Mendoza. I'm 38 years old and I live here in Victoria, Alicia, Isabela, Philippines. I'm happily married and I have one daughter, 14 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic. My highest educational attainment is second year college undergraduate, Bachelor of Secondary Education. My working experience in abroad as a domestic helper is from Singapore for 2 years, and in Hong Kong for 2 years, and in Middle East, in Qatar for 2 years. My skills is I know how to cook Chinese food, Western food, cleaning the house, car washing, hand wash, and ironing. And I know how to take care the children, kids, and toddler. To my future employer, please hire me as your new helper and I will do my responsibilities and duties. I'm a trustworthy and hardworking. Thank you so much and God bless.